Hello friends, welcome to my channel Duguli Chatsali. Today's topic is environment. Environment. Environment means anything that surrounds us. It can be biotic or abiotic things. It includes physical, chemical, and other natural forces. Living things live in their environment. They constantly interact with it and adapt themselves to conditions in their environment. We celebrate Environment Day on 5th June. Since it being in 1974, World Environment Day has developed into a global platform for raising awareness. In 1974, the city of Spokane, USA celebrated the first World Environment Day and the first slogan was Only One Earth. An act was passed to provide for the protection and improvement of environment in year 1986, and this rule was followed by every country. Every year, World Environment Day is hosted on June 5th by any of one respective country. Like present year, Pakistan is going to host World Environment Day on 2021. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. Growing trees, greening cities, rebuilding gardens, changing diets, or cleaning up rivers and coasts. Colombia hosted of World Environment Day in 2020 and its theme was Time for Nature. China hosted of World Environment Day in 2019 and its theme was Beat Air Pollution. India hosted of World Environment Day in 2018 and its theme was Beat Plastic Pollution. Now, let's talk about what are there in environment. There are two types of environment. First, geographical environment or natural environment. Second, man-made environment. Geographical environment is also known as the natural environment and it consists of all the components of natural elements such as air, water, river, mountains, land, desert and many more. The man-made environment, as the name suggests, is created by human beings such as villages, towns, cities and transport and communication facilities beside various other communities. The basic components of the natural environments are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. The main environmental ecosystems are terrestrial ecosystem, forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, tundra ecosystem, freshwater ecosystem, marine ecosystem. Now, let's talk about what are advantages and disadvantages of environment. The advantages of environment are improve air quality, climate change, improve water quality, biodiversity and habitat protection, people are greener, challenges, negative effects, potential indicators. The biggest disadvantages are acid rain, overfishing, urban sprawl, deforestation, water pollution, pollution growth, waste production, genetic modification of crops, air pollution, global warming, climate change, ocean acidification, environmental issues caused by man made. Now, can we protect our environment? Yes, we can by saving water, electricity, using reusable bags, avoiding taking cars as much as possible, growing more trees and plants, reducing pollution, saving natural resources, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Volunteer for cleanups in your community. Choose sustainable, shop wisely, plant trees. I hope you all will support. It's not the time to think, it's time to wake up and work on it and save your life by saving the nature. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility to protect. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you liked it. Jai Hind.